Hi Bookers, today I'm going to share a super simple recipe. This is my signature chicken curry and it is very tasty and I call it ghee dahi chicken. So in 500 grams of boneless chicken, add in 4 tablespoons of dahi, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, a little bit of chili flakes or whatever seasonings you like, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, pepper powder, chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Yummy! Nicely mix it. Oops, I forgot a teaspoon of coriander powder too, and mix it well. Marinate overnight or at least keep it for 2 to 3 hours and then start cooking. The chicken should be cooked amazingly, really soft. The chicken from Licious is really amazing. The chicken gets so tender and because of the marination it's more juicy, and at the end add in some kasuri methi and cook it again for another 1 to 2 minutes and it's done. Looks amazing, now it tastes amazing, like mwah. You will love it. So do try it. Yummy!